So the next one is this idea of integrating, which is getting your team on board with this systems-driven culture. How do you get your team to follow these systems and processes? And what's the point in doing all of the work that you're doing if the team's not going to follow it? So we have to get the team on board. This will be the most challenging component of your work because everybody's different, especially with your existing team members. That's where all of the resistance is going to come up front. We need to look at ways of building a systems culture. And one of the biggest secrets for this stage is understanding how can we, or thinking about how you can get the support of team members and get them involved, because they'll support what it is that they help to create. So building evidence, having little team meetings and mentioning it on a team meeting, or running little workshops, or showcasing when a team member does great work. Like, this is all part of the process. Those first couple of steps that I've got here is, and I'll give you some steps here, but as long as it doesn't matter necessarily exactly what order you do this, as long as you get the central idea that we're getting the team involved, if you do that, you'll be on the right track, and you can modify and customize this and make sure it suits for you yourself. But you want to start off by getting the business owner to show their support. If you haven't already at this point in time, that's creating the video with the business owner, talking through the critical client flow, explaining a little bit about the work that you're going to do, and getting the team to watch that video. That will either be done as a video that you circulate around, or maybe it's something that's mentioned on a team meeting. Again, we just keep this front and center to let them know that the business owner sees this as important, and it helps you to then prioritize it with the team member. As you start to share this around, you'll identify your supporters. And it's a little bit counterintuitive, because oftentimes people go to the resistance first and go and try and fix that. And the people who, oh, this person's not following the process, let's try and get them on board. But go to your supporters first, identify who they are, and then do everything that you can to make your supporters look like rock stars. Capture their systems, share their systems, talk them up in front of the business owner. Share it with the rest of the team. Look what this person did. Look at this system. Look how we were able to capture that, and then we delegated that down to this newer team member. Showcase and share great work, and you'll reinvigorate those supporters, and you'll start to build this culture of, hey, this is what we celebrate here, people doing great work. So get the business owner's support, and then identify the supporters. Then the next step that you want to think about is, how do you get this on the calendar? Now, it might be, do you have a weekly team meeting and this can become an agenda item? Or can you once a month have an extra little training that you run? You want to do everything that you can to find your rhythm and your cadence, and have this is your opportunity to showcase that work and those supporters and what they're doing. And you're asking for feedback, and you're celebrating those that are doing the great work. It might just start off for you as 15 minutes once a week on the team meeting. Over time, that might build. Maybe you, like I said, you can come up with this idea of a workshop. And as you get more and more comfortable with it, the workshops are a great way to get some of your thinking out and how you're going with the team, and tailoring some of what you're learning through the SYSTEMology process specific to your business, and building up a chance for those supporters to get involved. This video was a quick snippet from the Business Systems Accelerator. If you wanted to find out more about that, head over to systemology.com/membership to check out the full program. And I'll see you in the next video.